Science from grade 8 and 9, plant cell. So this is very helpful for the learners in grade 8, 9, together with the senior school. So this is what we call the plant cell. So next will be the animal cell. The following diagram shows a cell. Study it and answer the questions that follow. So this is a plant cell. It's a plant cell. Study the diagram and answer the questions that follow. So let us study the diagram. So we have part H, part I, this point here, part I. Then we have part M, this point here. Then we have part K, this part here. Then we have part J, these two parts. This one is the same as this part here. They have a name when we come to plant cell. So this one is part L. So the inner layer is part cell. And now we are going to see the names of these parts labeled on the diagram. So let's come here. Identify the structures H, I, J, K, L, M respectively. The word respectively means zikifuatana vivyo hivyo zilivyotajwa. Kwa hivyo we have H, we have I, we have J, we have K, we have L, and M in that order. So what is the part labeled H? So the part labeled H is what we call cell wall. So this one is cell wall. So I, what is the name of the part labeled I in a plant cell? So the part labeled I is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So we have part labeled J. So let's go where J is. So this part labeled J here, they are called chloroplasts. So we are going to put it plural because they are two. So singular is called chloroplast and plural they are called chloroplasts. So in science is very tricky. So in case wakipoint moja then uandike plural, obviously utakuwa umekosea. So ni vyema waangalie what are you answering. So we have part labeled K. So where is K? So this part labeled K here is called cell vacuole. It's called cell vacuole. See? Then we have part labeled L. So the inner layer, we have external layer external layer and the inner layer. So the inner layer is called cell membrane. Is called cell membrane. So we have this part here labeled M. So what do we call this part here labeled M? So drop your answer in the comment section. Please, I beg you, drop your answer in the comment section. You tell me what is the name of the part labeled M. So tell me what is the name of the part labeled M in a plant cell. So this is yours, and drop here a comment section so that I see how far you are. Apart from K, you can see here, apart from K, which other two parts prove that this is a plant cell and not an animal cell? So apart from this part here, this one, which other two parts in this diagram show that this is a plant cell and not an animal cell? J, so you can put J here. Why? This is a chloroplast. Animals don't have chloroplasts. Animal cells have no chloroplasts because they don't make their own food. Animal cells lack chloroplasts. Plant cells have chloroplasts where the photosynthesis takes place. Now, so tumepata moja. The first one is J. So this one is only found in a plant cell. The other one is H. So animal cells don't have cell wall. animal cell don't have cell wall. That's the reason why animal cell is irregular in shape. So plant cell is irregular because of cell wall. So we have letter H, which is cell wall. It is here, cell wall. Question C. From the diagram, which leavened structure contains chlorophyll? Which leavened structure here contains chlorophyll? So the answer is J. So J contains chlorophyll. Tumesema this is chloroplast. J is chloroplast containing chlorophyll where the photosynthesis takes place. Then which part here is a medium of chemical reaction? Which part here is the medium of chemical reaction? So the part here, which is the medium of chemical reaction, is I. I is medium of chemical reaction, which is cytoplasm. So the answer is I, which is cytoplasm. So this is what I had for you from plant cell. So next is animal cell. Kindly subscribe and share and comment your answer in the comment section. The name of the part leveled M. So what is the name of the part leveled M? Drop your answer in the comment section.